Are you a skilled carpenter shaping incredible creations from wood and passion? You've got the skills, the tools, and the vision, but have you thought about the essential protection your carpentry business needs? A mishap on a job site, an unexpected accident, or an unfortunate lawsuit. That's where Carpenters Insurance comes in. In this guide, we're walking you through the ins and outs of getting Carpenters Insurance in the United States. Ready to nail down your business's security? Let's get started. Have you ever wondered what would happen if your client tripped over your tools and got injured, or if an accident caused damage to their property? Accidents are like that uninvited guest, they tend to show up at the worst times. But with Carpenters Insurance, you're ready to handle the unexpected curveballs that may come your way. Step 1. Recognize the need for coverage. First things first, let's address the why. Whether you're crafting interiors, building exteriors, or both, carpentry involves its fair share of risks. Dust flies, tools are in action, and things can go south. Accidents are a reality, even if you're a meticulous craftsman. From property damage to bodily injuries and even professional negligence, the potential costs can be staggering. And let's face it, unhappy clients can escalate matters to lawsuits. Step 2. Understand what Carpenters Insurance covers. Carpenters Insurance is your shield against these scenarios. Here's what it covers. Third-party, non-employee bodily injury. Imagine a client ignoring your warning signs and getting hurt on your worksite. Carpenters Insurance steps in to cover their medical expenses and related claims. Third-party property damage. Ever accidentally damage a client's property, like that prized vase on a glass table? Carpenters Insurance has you covered, reimbursing your client for the damage caused. Defense costs. Getting sued for an accident on your watch? Carpenters Insurance also covers legal defense fees, ensuring you have the resources to fight your case. Step 3. Explore Business Owner's Policy, BOP. Now, let's talk about the Business Owner's Policy, or BOP. It's like the Swiss Army knife of insurance. General Liability Insurance. General Liability Insurance offers protection against third-party claims for property damage, bodily injury, and personal or advertising injury. It's your go-to for those everyday mishaps that can occur while working. Commercial Property Insurance. Commercial property insurance comes to the rescue in situations like fires or other physical damage to your workspace. It covers repairs and replacements for your equipment, ensuring you're back on your feet in no time. Business Interruption Insurance. Business interruption insurance is like a safety net. If your operations are disrupted due to physical damage, it covers the loss of income during the downtime. Hired and non-owned auto coverage. If you're using personal or rented vehicles for work, this coverage steps in when accidents happen on the road. Step 4. Calculate your costs. The cost of your carpenter's insurance varies based on factors like location, coverage limits, team size, and duration. The good news? You don't have to commit to lengthy policies. With Next Insurance, you can customize coverage by the month, day, or even hour. Step 5. Consider additional insurance types. While general liability insurance is a must, these additional types can enhance your coverage. Workers' compensation. Protect your team with workers' compensation. It covers their medical expenses and lost wages in case of work-related injuries or illnesses. Auto liability insurance. If your business owns or operates vehicles, this coverage handles accidents and damages on the road. Professional liability insurance. Also known as errors and omissions insurance, this covers financial losses due to professional service-related mistakes. Business equipment protection. Safeguard your tools and equipment with this coverage, protecting them from damage, loss, or theft. Secure your carpentry future. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to getting carpenter's insurance in the United States. Just like you take precise measurements for your projects, securing your business with insurance is a measure of care and foresight. With the right coverage, you can focus on building, creating, and carving your path to success in the world of carpentry. Now, go forth and shape your future with confidence. One of the best platforms to get insurance for yourself or your business is Next Insurance. They offer coverage at an affordable price that is tailored to practically every industry in the USA. You can check them out with the link in the description below the video and the pinned comment as well and get a quote today. The full review of Next Insurance is also linked down in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel if you love our videos.